my love. I am missing you right now more than words can ever hold. It feels as though a piece of me is incomplete. Whenever you are not beside me, hear your laughter echoing in my heart. And suddenly the world feels both softer and harder. Soft with memories of you, hard with the edge of your absence. You are not just my love, you are my best friend. Every moment with you feels like sunlight on my skin, warm and alive. Comfort when I felt lost, and laughter when life seemed heavy. I want you to know that no matter the distance, my heart beats for you. My thoughts wander to you. Missing you reminds me just how deeply I love you, how much you complete me, and how lucky I am to have you. Until I can hold you again, remember this: I love you endlessly, fiercely, and forever. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.